Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will be doing a quick comparison between two zoom lenses and both are fixed zoom lens. First lens is Apexel 60x telephoto zoom lens and the second lens is Apexel 36x telephoto zoom lens. So let us start with the zoom test. So now let us try to capture the crane which is quite far from our place. So this is being captured by the Apexel 60x telephoto zoom lens and you can see all the alphabets are also clearly visible. So this is being captured by the Apexel 36x telephoto zoom lens and you can see a 50% zoom difference between both the lenses. Now let us try to capture a crane which is slightly visible. This is being captured by the 60x. This is being captured by 36x telephoto zoom lens. Now let us try to capture the UK letters which are written on one of the buildings. This is being captured by 60x telephoto zoom lens. This is being captured by 36x telephoto zoom lens. And here are some bird shots taken from both the lenses. Please let me know which lens did you like in my comment section. If you have liked this video, kindly do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.